Hello everyone! Today I want to run you through some steps and give some tips on how you can make the most out of your wardrobe. For this video, I'm working together with Open Wardrobe, a new and free app that will help you a lot when you're trying to get the most out of your wardrobe. This app will make you more conscious about the fashion pieces you own, and I'll show you how it works in this video. So let's jump right in. Step 1. Digitize your wardrobe. This step helps you realize how much stuff you actually own, and that is exactly where Open Wardrobe comes in handy. You can just simply take a picture of every piece you have and add it to your digital wardrobe. I recommend either hanging your items or laying them flat on a neutral surface when taking the pictures. The app automatically removes the background, which is a pretty cool feature, and it also automatically categorizes the clothing items for you, so you can then add the brand name, the size, the color, and even the occasions that you would wear each piece for, which then makes it so much easier to style new outfits. Digitizing your wardrobe also helps you a lot to avoid accidentally buying identical pieces, because you have an overview of all the clothes you already got that you can access easily and anywhere via your phone. Step 2. Mix and match. Wear and style pieces in a completely new way before you go out and buy anything new. The app helps you to create new outfits that you wouldn't have thought of before, because now you can simply mix and match all pieces together instantly. Did you know that there are multiple ways to style a simple white shirt? Try wearing your pieces in different ways to bring out the full potential of your wardrobe. Step 3. Dressing up or even down. To get even more out of your wardrobe, you have to start finding ways to dress up your clothing pieces for more formal occasions, or even dress your pieces down for something more accessible. For example, you can dress up any jumper by simply adding a blouse or a shirt with a collar underneath, or go even further by swapping out those casual jeans for a pair of trousers. Step 4. Coherent wardrobe. Only buy things that go with your current items. It sounds easy enough, so when you go out to buy new things, make sure they go with your current wardrobe. The Open Wardrobe app gets a chance to shine here as well, since you can bring the whole closet anywhere conveniently in your pockets. Step 5. Think before you buy. 2 simple words. High quality. I am a big advocate for slow fashion, so when buying new things, you should always strive to get high quality pieces. Clothes that will hopefully last you a lifetime. And while we're at it, 2 more words. Avoid trends. Trends are designed to make you feel like you have to buy clothes over and over again, forcing you to swap out your wardrobe each season just to keep up. Also, stop buying seasonal clothing to get the most out of your wardrobe. Obviously, that's not always possible, but try styling most of your clothes all year round. For example, wear your summer dresses in autumn and winter by adding a jumper on top or a turtleneck and tights underneath. Step 6. Stay neutral. My last tip is stick to a neutral color palette first and then add a few popping color pieces. I guess this last one is just my personal preference, since I found that having a basic neutral color palette makes it much easier to combine your clothing pieces with each other and get more wear out of every one of them. And don't forget that when it comes to adding color to your outfits, you can also do that with nail polish or makeup, or even all sorts of accessories. When you're contemplating getting new things, I suggest having a quick scroll through your wardrobe first. It only takes a few seconds with Open Wardrobe. I hope all these tips are helpful to you. Make sure to check out Open Wardrobe. I've added a link down below.